Hey YouTube, this is Kaliman with another video. Today I'm gonna show you a possible fix for your Wi-Fi when it doesn't want to power on. Okay, so I did a lot of research online, but nothing is working. I downloaded some application with Wi-Fi fixer and all that, but none of them work. So what I do is I wanna show you what's going on with my Wi-Fi. You wanna try to power on, but it keeps power off. Okay, all you have to do, this work for me. I hope it works for you too. Just just turn on your airplane mode. Once it's on, just you can turn on Wi-Fi now. And as you can see, Wi-Fi is on now. Okay, you can power off airplane mode, and Wi-Fi is working again. As you can see, this worked for me, and I hope it was for you too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.